back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you that is non-phone. You'll be doing customer service through email and chat. We're going to dive right into it. Just know the links to everything that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company 1A Auto, they are an auto mechanics company. They are hiring a customer service representative for their email and chat lines. This is remote for the United States only. Now, pay for this position is $16.50 an hour. They're also offering a $1,500 sign-on bonus. They are basically looking for somebody to have direct interaction with their customers through email and chat and be responsible for not only recommending products, but also resolving inquiries and processing orders while maintaining that high level of professionalism. You'll demonstrate excellent online customer service etiquette and build strong relationships with the customers. You'll contribute to quality assurance procedures to make sure the accuracy of communications to the customer and improve those satisfactions with the products. You'll have to learn software used by the company to navigate listings, locate the customer information, and look up some data about the products. Now, best thing about this position, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 3 years of some kind of customer service experience. Someone who has strong typing skills, great spelling and grammar skills, someone who can use a computer and the internet. Now, they say if you are parts counter or ASE certified, that is a plus, but that is not required. On top of the signing bonus and $16.50 an hour pay, they're also offering a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, they have 114 reviews on Glassdoor as well, with a rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do get emails with those comments in them, so even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.